Hey guys, it's MC Fixit here. Today we have a new review. This is the FLSNT Dusk to Dawn light bulb. So these will be going outside for me, but I'm going to show you a couple of tests of how they look. These things automatically turn on at dusk, then stop functioning at dawn. They are a 7-watt, 5000 K daylight. And so let's go ahead and open them up. These things only are using 7 watts of energy, but compared to the 60 watt bulbs, so they are the Edison style. They'll fit in most any of your outlets for light bulbs, and so we'll go ahead and test them. But I want to show you some of the look and feel of it. It is a little longer than a standard LED light bulb. These ones are LED as well, super bright. You can see the LED lights right inside of there. Just an overall really good look. They are made of glass, so they're not cheap plastic like this is. And so they should shine really bright. It's for a 120 volt, 7-watt light bulb. And so let's go ahead and plug it in. So for this test, I'm out in my garage. There is just a wee little bit of light off to the side here. But when we go ahead and turn on the light, this is just that standard light bulb. It shines pretty bright. Go ahead and turn that off. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew. It is a little dark, so do be careful if you try an experiment like this. And then we'll go ahead and twist in that new dusk to dawn bulb. We'll go ahead and turn it on. You can see it is super nice and bright. And as we begin to turn on some lights in the garage, you'll see it went out because it is that dawn to dusk sensor on there. And we'll go ahead and turn back off those lights. And let's go ahead and turn on some lights, and then that will turn off automatically. And then if you turn off the light, it will turn on this light. So this thing does work really well for that dawn to dusk feature. We're going to go ahead and install it outside because that's where it's really recommended. And I'm going to do all the lights. I have 3 lights on the front of my house, and I'll show you what they look like. So you can see here is that standard bulb. And when I turn on the lights in my house, that bulb will come on because it is non-daylight specific. So we'll go ahead and turn that off. We'll switch out the bulb. The power is off right now. We'll go ahead and change this out and put in this brand new bulb. It's got a really cool Edison design and feel on that. We'll go ahead and put the cover back on. We'll go back into the house and flip the light on and see if it comes on. Remember, this is daytime, so this light should not be coming on. And it just flipped the switch and nothing happened, which is exactly what we want. We'll go ahead and test this again at night and see what it looks like. So with that switch on, you can see that it is working. You can tell the other one is on up there, but this one is not because it is daytime. The sun is shining nice and bright, but overall this thing is working really well. I'm excited to see what it looks like at night when it becomes dusk and it will turn on automatically. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 2 light bulbs on the front of this house to make sure all 3 fixtures are the same. So it just became dark and all 3 of those lights are on. You can see it is dusk here and they turned on properly. I'll show you again here in a little bit when it is fully dark outside, but you can see there's still a little bit of light in the sky, but these things look super good and very, very bright. So now it is completely dark outside. You can see that there, and we still have just such good light. I'll do one more video of this in the morning. So it is now dawn. The sun is just starting to come up and all of the lights are off. So that worked perfect, that dusk to dawn feature. So here are my unbiased opinions on this. I have 3 of these in use. It's a 4-pack. Used to have the older style LED bulbs, which still work, but I am really a big fan of this dusk to dawn, that it turns on automatically when it becomes dusk, and then the light turns off when it is dawn. Yes, you are going to have your light on for about 8 to 12 hours, depending on where you live and the time of year that it is. But I really like the extra security feature that adds to my house, that the light stays on. It is nice and bright at 7 watts. It's giving off about 800 lumens per light. And it's a daylight glow, which is that 5000K, which is the light color that I like the best now. I used to have a lot of the other soft light, but I'm really liking this. This thing is super easy to install. It is just like a normal bulb, same exact pattern. Make sure your power's off, and then you just spin this thing on just like you would a regular bulb. Do be careful and don't let it be hot when you do that. But overall, this thing's pretty awesome. It does come with a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money back or 36-month replacement. So if any of these do burn out, you can make sure to go ahead and get yourself a new one. Again, I would highly recommend you going and getting some of these. This is the 4-pack of the FLSNT Dawn-to-Dusk ST19s. These are that 7 watt, which is equivalent to 60. Comes in a 4-pack. There are other options as well. If you want the 2700K at either 60 watt or 100 watt, or if you get this one, this is that 60 watt at 5000K, or you can get a 100 watt at 5000K. So 4 different options that you can choose from. Go ahead and pick yourself up some of these today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comment section down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.